River Lily here. We are on a van adventure, putting along in slow traffic. I am with
J-Drone in the house. No, really, this is our house. We're going to sleep in here for the next couple days.
There's our nice little setup back there. And we are heading down to Virginia Beach. So we are still sitting in the van, sitting in traffic. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the traffic in J-Drone. The camera won't turn around. So, okay, there's the traffic. It's picking up right now as I was going to zoom over to J-Drone.
Here's a really non-amused J-Drone. This is why I do not like driving through big cities. Why the GPS has us going through a big city when we are going to the East Coast to a beach is just so dumb.
Okay guys, so I'll catch up with you again later. River Lily here. So we made it to Virginia Beach and we stopped at an IHOP because my tum-tum was going grumble grumble loud. And now we're at the 7-Eleven. And then we're going to go back and we're going to try to go to sleep for the night, and then tomorrow there should be a lot more to see on the channel because we won't be driving 7 hours trying to get to our destination. Okay, so see you all again later. Bye. So this is bed. Bed is where you make it. Got my jammies, pillows, heat, fans, light. Everything we need is pretty much right here. My shoes. So yeah, this is where we're staying. So we're in bed. And I'm sitting here with J-Drone. Go ahead and talk. It's your turn.
I don't want to talk. This is the K-Drone show.
No, my name's not K-Drone. This is the River Lily show. But we are in bed now, and we're going to call it a night, and then we're going to have some adventures tomorrow, and I hope we'll have a lot more interesting stuff to show you, I hope. So that is all. Please like and subscribe.
Smash the thumbs up button.
Bye-bye.